guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to clean the oven. Here's the things that works for me in cleaning my oven. Mix 1/4 cup of baking soda and 1/2 cup of white vinegar slowly. This will be like a science project here because of the bubbles. Take note of the reaction after you pour white vinegar. Then add 5 drops of Dawn. The lemon is optional, but I like to add it in my mixture because of its scent. Then I put the mixture in a spray bottle and shake it a little bit so the baking soda will dissolve. This is now ready to spray the oven. Before I sprayed the inside of the oven, I placed a used towel to protect the floor. My method on the oven door is a little different. I pour in the baking soda to the entire glass oven door, then add the white vinegar slowly. Let everything soak for a couple minutes. While waiting, I washed the racks. I started scrubbing the inside of the oven. There is a lot of burned droppings that is difficult to scrub, so I used the stainless wool on it. When everything is scrubbed, I took a rag to wipe everything. For the glass oven door, I also used the stainless wool for the scrubbing, which makes the cleaning easier for me. Then wiped them all. Stovetop, I use the same mixture, spray and wipe everything on it. Our burner grates are a dishwasher safe, so whenever I have space in our dishwasher, I just stick them in. our oven because I cannot stand the strong chemical smell of an oven cleaner product. That's the end of our video for today. If you like the topic, hit the thumbs up button, and if you have any comments or suggestions, don't hesitate to comment below and I'll get back to you. And also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos to come. This is it for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.